Today I'm going to start our series of lectures regarding security domain. In this series, first domain is security and risk management. We will discuss in detail. This is actually a very big domain. This domain consists of following topics. We will discuss each and every topic in detail. First one is CIA, confidentiality, integrity and availability. Second, IAA, identification, authentication, authorization and accountability. Third one, security governance principles. Fourth topic is governance standards and control frameworks. Fifth, defense in depth. Sixth, laws, legal and regulatory issues. 7, intellectual property and its threats. 8, code of ethics. 9, IT policies, standard and procedures. 10, personal security. 11, access control defensive and its categories and types. 12, risk management. We discuss in detail risk management. And then 13, business continuity, which include business impact analysis and disaster recovery plan. 14, attackers and type of attackers. 15, bots and botnets, which include DDoS attacks. 16, social engineering. We will discuss each topic in detail. Okay. In the end, I would like to say, if you want to study in detail these topics, kindly subscribe this channel, or if you like these videos, kindly share with your friends. Thank you.